Hi, wanna be in a YouTube video? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Right now I'm going to Fitness Junkie to get some protein powder. I ran out. Yeah. And today was arm day, so I need my protein to get my muscles big. Nice and big. Okay? Yeah. I can protect you, sweetheart. I got big muscles. Right now, yeah, so I'm on my way right now to go pick up the protein powder. I want to get the bigger one. Hope it's not that much expensive. Hope it's not that much expensive. But I should be good for it. I got money. I'm not poor. Yeah, thank the Lord. Yeah, so I'm going to pick up the protein powder now. So, like, comment, and subscribe, alright? I love nothing but love every time. Love, I'm sending love to one and all. Anything that you're going through right now, hope you get through it. Keep going, okay? Hold your head up, bro. Hold your head up, sis. We're out here. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, so I just got my protein powder. I got the big one. It was really expensive, but then I can afford it. I'm out here. I'm gonna show you when I reach in. I can't take it out of the bag now. Out. Yeah, YouTube. Sorry. So this is it. This is the protein that I got. Big boy. Easy me. For an arm and a leg, but you don't know. See, you put it in your body, you gotta get out. I bought the chocolate one this time. The last time I bought the vanilla. It tastes kind of tastes like Lasco, but a little bit different. But this one, chocolate, hopefully it tastes like chocolate exact, because I like chocolate. So, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Roll on out here. YouTube. So I'm here right now. I'm gonna show you how I make my protein shake. So this is the one that I got before. Yeah, this is the old one. This is 38 servings. This is the one that I had before, vanilla. I didn't like the vanilla. It kind of tastes a little weird. Yeah, so this is the new one that I got now. Big boy. Look at the size comparison. Look at the size comparison. She told me that size didn't matter. Is she lying to me? Let me know in the comments if she's lying to me. She told me that size didn't matter. And I kind of feel some type of way about that. But this one has 152 servings. So that's pretty. This one costs an arm and a leg, but this is gonna last me for about a good year, maybe, or 6 months. Maybe 6 months. I don't know. But let's get right into it. See what's happening here. Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you how I normally make my protein shake now. Now that this is out of the way, I'll show you how I normally make my protein shake. Because I look a scoop thing. In it. It's nice, it smells nice. The chocolate one smells better. Alright, so I normally start off with my banana. Here's my thing right here. So I normally start off with a banana. Boom, boom, boom. Peel it off fast. You give me? I break it up. Put it in there. Everything will get blend up. So I really. I'm a pretty boy thing. While I'm in. Yeah, then I'm going with my scoop. My scoopy scoop. Chocolate scoop. Sometimes I like to do a little bit more than one scoop. Because I do be like that. Then I want to put a little bit of water in it. So I'm going to show you how much. I want to put a little bit of water in it like this. Not that much. It's a little glass. I just want to put a little bit of water in. Yeah. After you put your water in it, bro, then you're gonna put after you put your water in, you're gonna put a generous amount of oats. I like to put my oats in. I'm trying to get stronger, bro. I'm trying to get big muscle. I'm trying to build my big muscles. Bro. That in it. Once that's in it, I'm gonna put a whole lot of ice. I normally like to use 8 cubes, but these ice, don't think I was the one who set these because I don't normally set ice like this. These are just some small ones. This is what I make it. I put like all the ice in it. Yeah, so you can have like an ice cream consistency. That's what I like my shake because it's a shake. It is a shake. I'm gonna use all of this ice. So about how much ice? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 10 cubes of ice. I normally use 8. Yeah, and then I put it on the blender. Yeah, blenny. Blender ready. Right there. Right there, boy. Plug in the blender. Close it. This is a lot. It's a lot of protein powder, boy. A lot of protein powder. Oh, no weakness. I'm strong, baby. Let me protect you. Let me come protect you, baby. And then you wanna go on. I like to use this because I want to drink everything at once because that's the amount of protein that you should drink per day. It's like I use too much water. I use too much water, but it's not thick like the ice cream. Okay, but it's good still. So I drink this and then I build my muscles. Alright, so I have a little bit left. Drink that. So that's it for my protein shake. That's how I make my protein shake. Sometimes I add sea moss in it, sometimes I add nuts, like almond and all of that other stuff. But I don't have none of that now, so this is what I normally make. A banana. Oh, this is really nice. This one is, chocolate one is really, really nice. So that's it for my video. Like, comment, subscribe. It's probably going to be a short video, like 5-minute video. But it is what it is. I'm staying consistent. Okay, really nice. Get the chocolate one if you're going to get any. Don't get vanilla. If you like vanilla still like over chocolate, get vanilla. But to me, it didn't taste good. It don't taste like vanilla Alaska. It have like a milder taste, not as sweet. So get the chocolate. Out here. So yeah, no YouTube, I'm just gonna finish this up like the big boy that I am. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Coming real soon. I already hit the girls up, like that's gonna be in the videos. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Out here.